Alright, so it looks like when you get here to the end of the pier, you have to go through the typical, force you to go through Carnival duty free shop. It's pretty typical for Carnival ports. Yep. Sure. Sparklies, alcohol, cigarettes, oh, magnets. Alright, so as you come out of the duty-free shop, here's what you're looking at. Oh, they got a sign for taxis here. Let's see how much taxis are. Let's look. Okay, so here's all the taxi rates. If you want to see it, pause it. Alright. It's your pretty typical shopping village, huh? Carnival shopping village. Well, we're gonna wander. Carry Aloha. Well, I guess not all the Del Sols are closed. Oddly enough, everywhere we've been, the Del Sol's been closed. This is the first port we've been to that actually had an open Del Sol. Piranha Joe. Puerto Platos, gifts and souvenirs. T-shirt Island. Hey. T-shirt Island was crazy busy. I think both ships were in there trying to buy a t-shirt. Oh, the Amber Cove sign. We gotta get pictures. Amber Cove sign. It's like law. People randomly just stop walking in the middle of the road.
And the bad thing is that she looked at me.
Yeah. And she's like, meh. People, come on. Don't stop walking in the middle of the walkway. You can step to the side. What is this? Logo shop. Okay. I'm gonna show you all the stuff and things here. We're gonna do a full, I haven't seen anybody like fully walk around the whole area. We tried to find information. It was difficult. Alright. So they're very festive. Okay. They're very happy to be there. Yeah. Alright, what's next door? Sea salts. Gifts and accents. Oh, they pumping some music too. Okay. They were quite festive too. Alright, and apparently this is where you leave. Right here, this is the bus area. So, rental cars, this is the bus tax area. It's directly across from the little weird passport stamp building here. at the very end, kind of the cul-de-sac. If you come out of the cruise ship terminal and turn left, you'll see the cul-de-sac, this little round building, and directly across from it, it's where the buses and the taxis are. So we're gonna keep going because we're not going anywhere. And there's some more shops. Oh, there's a pharmacy and wild play clothes and gifts. And then they have a pharmacy. Keep going around. There's the history. Talking about Jurassic Park. T-shirt shop. There's definitely tons of t-shirt and tchotchke shops. There's another one. Shark Attack. We're almost back around where we started. Right now we're looking for something to drink. There's a little cafe over there. See if I can't get something to drink over there. Okay, let's go do that. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me look at the waterfall. This is the little nature walk. This is directly in front of the duty-free shop. So right there, that's the duty-free shop. So if you come out of the duty-free shop and walk straight, on your right, you'll see the waterfall and the nature trail. Alright. No diving. You're not allowed to dive in there. I think you could. You would just crack your noggin. It's only about 6 inches deep. And that's the fake piece of amber. Yep. Okay. And we're gonna go over here and try to get a drink. Because it's hot and we're thirsty, y'all. Okay, so this, again, right there is the duty-free shop that you walk through. If you come through the duty-free shop and take a right, that's the way we're going now. Oh look, there's a little snack bar. Look at it. Perfect. This is going over towards the pool, but I think we're gonna stop here and get us a drink. Okay, look at that Amber Cove sign with the little carnival ship. Drink the view upstairs, the Sky Bar. Coco Cana Lounge. They have a bunch of frozen daiquiris in there. Oh, and here is the pool area. Probably gonna have to dub over this. Or we're gonna get a copyright strike. But I can still film. Wow. It is full. Whew. It is full, full, full. Full, full, full over here. Oh, and there's the fish spot. You don't want the fish to eat your feet? Ugh. I can't do it. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at the menu. Pause it if you want to see prices. And the drink menu. There you go. $5 domestic beers. Most of the drinks look like they're about $8. So that's not too bad. Coca-Cola Lounge. This appears to be your only option for hot food or drinks on the
Yeah,
island.
there's this one and there's one up front. We passed it.
Oh, was there?
That's what that little restaurant was. It
Oh.
was also a Coca-Cola.
Oh, okay. Same restaurant, two different locations. Okay. Did you want something here?
No, I'm good.
Or? Okay. She's like, I got free drinks on the ship. And the ship's right there. So just like that, we're back to where you started. That's the port area. And I'm gonna edit this. Editing me is gonna edit this down to a nice little walking tour of the airport area, because we did not find anybody who had a really good tour of this area. So
Yeah, a lot of the videos show the pool area and stuff like that. I have
Yeah.
a really hard time seeing it.
yeah, so we're gonna edit it up and see what we can make it into.